Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prince Obiefere and this is Igbo Made Easy. Today, before we get into teachy today, let me first of all say I'm glad to be back and you guys made me smile. I went to the North for National Youth Service and after a while I came on the channel, and when I came on the channel I was surprised. We left off at what number of subscribers, and I come to see almost 700 subscribers. I'm like, where are these guys coming from? And there you guys are, subscribing, commenting and interacting with my videos, and it was rewarding, it was encouraging. And I thought, okay, even though I'm not really home, even though I'm in a place where it's not very convenient and conducive, I could still do something, I could still put something out. And I try to keep putting something out, and that was how we have the videos on numbers. And I don't tell you all that went into the videos with numbers. And we had the second slide of 145 words and phrases, and we had the slide on Azuzu China, and we had the slide on medical terms. When the coronavirus came out, I decided to do something on medical common medical problems, so you can have vocabulary, because trying to build the lessons around the things happening at the time and the things you are that are in your mind at the time, just make sure that the lesson is not so disconnected from your everyday life and all of that. But we try to just keep in contact and keep in touch. But this time around, I want to tell you that Igbo Medicine is back on. We are back on. We are back on. And yes, we are developing a program that step by step by step that you can follow in a given period of time, and you would learn the Igbo language. And it's going to be on this channel, and it's going to be on another platform too. I'll let you know where we're going to put it, so you can maybe access all of them together, or you still stay with us on the channel as we drop them one by one. So na class anyị taa, anyị ga-amụ otu esi amụta asụsụ Igbo n'ụzọ dị mfe. So I'll be teaching you how to learn Igbo the easy way. One of the tips is what I'll be giving you today, and that is making a phrase book. Is a method I use in learning Spanish, and I'm just going to be sharing it with you because I dropped a video containing 250 words and phrases, Igbo English volume 1 and volume 2. I noticed we've used that video a lot, but I never cease wondering if we really know what to do with the video and if we are really doing it right. Although I saw someone trying to read from her notes.
How are you? K Duka Iti.
And it's beautiful because that's exactly what I do. You see, I don't just take the videos and listen to them, I make notes from the videos, and that is why I take the time to write the English and the Igbo out, so that you can actually write them out and you can actually read them, and you can actually get to the point where you can look at your book and say, Hola, buenos dias, ¿cómo está tu familia? And all what have you. You see, so I particularly use this method in learning the Spanish, and it's very effective. If you follow it, you should be able to learn. For our next class, we are going to be having. For our next class, we're going to be having. For our next class, we're going to be having. What are we having for our next class? Don't mind me. I know what we're having for our next class. I plan to teach you greetings in Igbo greetings. But the Igbo greetings I'm going to be teaching you is not the ututu, ehihe, and abali. Those are not original Igbo greetings, but you need to know them because they are the formal Igbo greetings that we have now. But then there are other Igbo greetings that are more original that we use and how we greet So ututu ọma, ehihe ma, abali ma. I'll say if you're gonna tell me that, just tell me good morning, good afternoon, good evening, because ututu ọma is just good morning translated in Igbo, and Igbos didn't have ututu ọma before English came around. So it's just like translating English to Igbo and just saying it that way. We have our way of greeting, and that is going to come in the next class. If you've not subscribed, please do so. Subscribe and take the notification. You're going to be getting more exciting con- contents. You're going to be getting more exciting content. I'm really excited because from the next class, we're going to begin something more step by step by step by step. I did a community post asking for what you guys really want to learn, and I really got some feedback, and it's beautiful because when I say the things you're interested in, I know already where you've been and what you've known and what you would like to know. So we can continue from there. While I'm still carrying the others along, I'm still making something for everybody so that those who are just beginning can have something to, you know, and those of us who are at a particular point can have something to continue with. And talking about being at a particular point, I am open for one-on-one classes. So if you're at that point where you are ready to take one-on-one classes with me, I am ready and I am available now. I'm taking one-on-one classes now. I just thought I should announce it. I'm taking one-on-one classes now. For details on how to go about that and making a schedule and all of that, just send me a message at igbomadeeasy@gmail.com. Send an email to igbomadeeasy@gmail.com. Igbo Made Easy is just the name of the channel. The name of the channel, join it together. Igbo Made Easy. One word at gmail.com. So when you do that, you send me a message and we'll take it up from there. And yes, it's just going to probably be for a penny or two. It's not going to be that much of a big deal. So we are taking classes now. And what else? 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 I'm just super excited that I'm back on the channel and we're going to be having some beautiful interactions together. So thank you for staying with me on